Good day everyone. Today we are going to learn on how to insert table of contents in Office 365. We already know that a table of contents makes it easier for your readers to work with long documents of 10 or more pages. They give printed documents a sophisticated look and feel, and add ebook-like navigation to on-screen documents. But did you know that table of contents are wicked easy to create and update in Microsoft Word? Let us look at this sample. As you can see, I have here 13 pages in this document, and we already inserted the table of contents. Now, what is the function of this table of contents? In our sample, we have here the titles. And as you can see, we can find the pages. Now, how are we going to navigate with this title or with this topic? So let us press the Control key on the keyboard and click on the desired topic. For example, I want to proceed to site analysis. That's it. We can jump into site analysis, and site analysis is located on page 4. So let us try on how to make this kind of setup. Are you ready? Let us proceed. In inserting table of contents, we are going to locate where this table of contents to appear. So I'm planning to insert my table of contents on the second page. So let us put our insertion point on this page and click on References tab. Then click on Table of Contents and choose the desired format. So let us use Automatic Table 2. So as you can see in our table of contents, there are no entries found. Why? Because the titles or the headings are not yet set. So to set this as heading, we are going to click this title or position the insertion point, and then in References tab, click Add Text, and then choose the level you want. So we are going to choose level 1 as it is the first heading that will be appearing on our table of contents. And then do these steps on the other titles or headings. So again, I want this title or heading to appear as level 1. Click Add Text, then level 1. So under Site Analysis and Investigation, we have the subtopic. So meaning, I'm going to indent this in our table of contents. To do that, again, position the insertion point and then click Add Text, then Level 2. So let us update and see what happened after doing those steps. So let us update this table. So click on this table, then click Update Table. So the three headings that we set as Level 1 and Level 2 are looked like this. So if you want to appear those remaining headings or titles, you will do the same again. So let us try. So let us update again the table after setting all of those headings or titles into its correct levels. So in updating, you may click update table here or you may click this icon in the references tab. Then click update the entire table and then look at the effect. That's it. All the titles are appearing in our table of contents. We can change the format of our title for our table of contents. So you just do what format you want. For example, I want it to be in the center and then the font color is black and I want it to make a thicker one. So that's it. I hope you learned something today. See you in our next learning.